Hello everyone, welcome back to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today I'm going to show you how to order vegan at a steakhouse. We're here for another Fast Food Friday. Today's our restaurant edition and we've chosen Texas Roadhouse. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the awesome, informative, plant-based videos I've got coming.
Did you get your veggies, Uncle Lawa?
No.
What sides are you gonna get that are vegan friendly, Press?
None of them. All of them have butter on them. Except fries. Our fries might not.
You gonna get the broccoli?
Yeah, but it'll have butter on it. So I'm gonna do the country vegetable plate, and I want to do if you have the sweet potatoes, just like regular veggies. And I've got broccoli and carrots. Okay, I want to do those. I just want to make sure they don't have any butter on them. They do not. They do not. Okay, perfect. We do that, and then I want to do the sweet potatoes, but I want it completely dry. Like we only have just plain. Yeah, just plain. And then I want to also do like let's see. Okay, actually, okay. I want to do this. Is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 2 sweet potatoes, and then I want to do the veggies, no butter, and do the green beans have anything in them? They do. Yes. Okay, how about this? Double veggies, double sweet potato. Double veggie, double sweet potato. Yeah, so that way there's on there. And then for her, I want to do an order of your steak fries, and then a cup of your applesauce. And I'll give her some of my veggies. Perfect. Sounds good.
Thank you. You're sweet.
I'll leave the menu. Okay. Only a 6-ounce, Robert. When I was just eating steak, I do the 8-ounce.
I mean, I probably could eat 8 ounce, but I'm already like at my macros for the day. What?
Did you get your applesauce, Berkeley?
Was I in the frame?
No.
Yeah.
Yummy. All right. Is that so good? Yay.
Just because you follow a vegan or plant-based diet doesn't mean you have to miss out on eating at your family or friends' favorite restaurants. We are able to go anywhere and order off a menu and always find people make accommodations for our lifestyle. Just think, they do it all the time for people with allergens and certain dietary restrictions, so why wouldn't a restaurant do it for you? You can even eat as a healthy vegan at a steakhouse. You can see by my sweet potatoes and veggies, it's possible. Just stick to this motto when going to a steakhouse: sides save the day. You can always create your own plate full of sides. I do it all the time. And again, people at restaurants that work there are happy to accommodate. I'm sorry, but most steakhouses don't have rolls that are vegan friendly. They're normally made with dairy and they also have butter baked on top. Always ask to be sure, but I am sorry about this. When in doubt, always ask. Again, people who work at restaurants, chefs, managers, waiters, and waitresses are happy to make accommodations. Just ask all the questions. If you'd like to support my channel further, feel free to go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. If you have been enjoying this plant-based and vegan-friendly content, make sure to give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button because it does let me know that I should create more videos like this and it helps out with the algorithm. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for your support. See you next week.